What I am doing right now is the final process here before we paint these is just going over them really well, making sure there isn't any pinholes or anything in the doors from all the bodywork, and that's what these few spots that I'm sanding out here are. They're just little tiny pinholes that you fill in and sand before we seal the doors for paint. So I'm just sanding them out with some 400 right now to kind of level them back out, and then I'll go over the doors again with 600 to final sand them. Just spraying it down with a little bit of, this is basically just soap and water. The soap helps give the sandpaper a little bit of lubricity. Sands a little easier. And then this is our 600 grit wet dry. I'm just gonna go over the spots that I hit with 400 grit earlier. Yeah, a lot of the older 30s cars had wooden frame doors. The 38 Packard that we have in the back of the shop that we're building right now, that has a complete wood frame. The whole car is built that way. No, definitely steel frame cars are easier to work on. The wood frames, they flex and move, you know, you get them, that's why I'm trying to be careful too. The back sides are all masked up and everything. Because if you get the wood frames all wet, they'll actually distort and move. So they're definitely a little more of a challenge to work with.